Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a blast creating a super fun and cute design on a t-shirt. We're going to draw an adorable axolotl using fabric pens. So, let's dive in and get started. Before we begin, make sure you have all the materials you need. You'll need a plain t-shirt, fabric pens in various colors, a pencil, and a piece of cardboard or thick paper. Place the cardboard or thick paper inside the t-shirt to prevent any ink from bleeding through to the other side. Now let's start by lightly sketching our adorable axolotl on the t-shirt using a pencil. Don't worry if you're not an expert at drawing. Remember, we're going for a fun and quirky vibe. Feel free to look up reference images online if you need some inspiration. Once you're happy with your sketch, grab your black fabric pen and carefully outline your axolotl. Be sure to add in those cute little gills, a happy smile, and big expressive eyes. Pro tip: use short steady strokes for a cleaner outline. Now it's time for the most exciting part, adding color to our axolotl. Choose your favorite colors and start filling in the drawing. You can use a combination of bright and pastel colors to make your axolotl pop on the t-shirt. Don't forget to leave some white spaces to create a fun pattern and texture on your axolotl. Once you're done with the base colors, add some details and highlights to bring your axolotl to life. You can use a white fabric pen to create highlights on the eyes and body. Feel free to add some cute little dots, stars, or even underwater plants to complete the scene. After you've finished your masterpiece, let the ink dry for a while. Check the instructions on your fabric pens for the recommended drying time. Once the ink is dry, you can remove the cardboard or thick paper from inside the t-shirt. And there you have it, your very own, super cute and fun axolotl t-shirt. I hope you enjoyed this DIY tutorial as much as I did. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative and entertaining projects. Thanks for watching and see you next time.